वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Jai Gurudev, children. Children, do you know why we all teachers have gathered here?
Because we are celebrating birthday. Whose birthday are we celebrating? It is little Krishna's birthday today.
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ದಿನ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿನ ಆಚರಿಸೋಣ.
To begin our celebration, let us make a cradle first. Today we shall be learning how to make cradle. We are inviting our little Krishna, right? Where will he sit? Can he sit on the chair like this? No, he's a little baby. So we shall make a cradle. For this we need gold or silver color paper. Okay? It will be this big. We need to fold it and cut it into half. Like this sheets you will get. Okay? Apart from gold or silver color paper, we need a soap box. Then glue, punching machine, pencil, scissors, a pair of scissors and some satin ribbon. That's it, children. Let us start. We need to roll this to make pillars. So we shall use the pencil and this will help us to roll. Can you see? Come close. See, you have to keep the pencil like this and with the help of the pencil you need to roll. Once it is done, you remove the pencil. Like this, you have to make 5 of them. We will have to apply glue over here. We shall take the brush. At the end, we shall apply glue. Like this. So, our first pillar is ready. Now, the 4 pillars, 4 plus 1, 5 rolls are ready. Let us start making the cradle. For this, we need a soap box. Then we have to remove the top part and cut it off. It looks like a cradle, right? After sticking golden paper all the sides, this is how our cradle looks. Now, using the punching machine, we shall punch 2 holes on either sides like this. Can you see the holes over here? We shall take the satin ribbon of the same measurement. Put the ribbon over here. Poke it with the pencil. Pull it out. Then again, same way, repeat. Pull it out. And now, tie. Tie a knot at this end. Children, we need 4 small cups filled with rice. We'll take our pillars. We'll take 2 of them and using the rubber band we shall put them together. This is ready. Like this, two pair of pillars. We shall insert them in the rice cups like this. This is the cradle that we have prepared. We shall put it, we shall hang it like this and keep it over here. See, this is how it looks when it is finished. Now we can keep our Krishna inside this like this, and can you see? It's so cute. Krishna will sleep here peacefully. Isn't it nice, children? Try doing this.
ನಾವು ನೈವೇದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನೈವೇದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ?
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ.
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಾಕಾ? ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದ್ದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ
ಬೆಲ್ಲ,
ಜಾಗ್ರಿ, 1/2 ಕಪ್ ಜಾಗ್ರಿ,
ತುಪ್ಪ,
2 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಘೀ,
ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾದಾಮಿ, ಗೋಡಂಬಿ, ಅಂಜೂರ, ಖರ್ಜೂರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ 1/2 ಕಪ್,
ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು,
banana, 1 whole banana cut into small pieces.
ಇದು
This is Krishna's favorite, Avalakki. You might have heard of Krishna Kuchela story, no? We'll listen to it later. First we will prepare the Naivedyam and then move ahead.
ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
She is mixing dry fruits to the avalakki or beaten rice.
ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು,
Banana,
ತುಪ್ಪ,
ghee, and finally for the sweetness we are adding jaggery. We will have to mix this well. Isn't it simple, children? You can make it yourself. Now you have learned how to make cradle and also decorate the mantapa or the arrangement for the puja. Apart from this, we are learning how to make the Naivedyam, that is the food for the God Krishna. Now it is ready. It is healthy, tasty and most important, Krishna's favorite. Now this is ready. Come, let us give it to the Lord.
ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ನೀನೇ ಗತಿ, ತೋರು ತೋರು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಖವರು ಪತಿ. ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ನೀನೇ ಗತಿ, ತೋರು ತೋರು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಖವರು ಪತಿ. ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ, ಶಂಖ ಚಕ್ರವನ್ನು ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವಿ, ಶಂಖ ಚಕ್ರವನ್ನು ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವಿ, ಸೊಂಟದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈಯನ್ನಿಟ್ಟು ಏಕೆ ನಿಂತಿರುವಿ. ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ನೀನೇ ಗತಿ, ತೋರು ತೋರು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಖವರು ನೀನೇ ಪತಿ.
Little Krishna was born at midnight on the 8th day of Bhadrapada month in Mathura. This day is celebrated as Krishna Janmashtami. People across India celebrate this festival with great enthusiasm. There are many temples built all over India for Lord Krishna. Come, let us go on a tour visiting these temples. Children, you might have heard Krishna's birth story, right? You know that he was born in a jail. Yes, in Mathura, they have built a big temple around this jail. This is the place where Shri Krishna was born.
After the war between Krishna and his uncle Kans, Krishna killed his uncle. Then he built a city called Dwaraka, which is in the state of Gujarat. Here there is a beautiful temple called as the Dwarakadish Mandir. It is very famous here, children.
जय कमल छानी जा रे बाळा, स्वामी अमारो जागशे तने मारशे, मने काळ हत्या लागशे. हे जय कमल छानी जा रे बाळा.
Dwaraka reminds me of Krishna and Kuchela's story, the great friendship that they shared. Children, come, let us listen to that story.
Sudama, also known as Kuchela, was a childhood friend of Krishna. Sudama was a poor Brahmin man. He didn't have enough money to feed his children. Once, with tearful eyes, his wife told him,
You talk of Krishna so often, and Krishna is your very close and dear friend. He is the king of Dwaraka. So why don't you go and ask him for some help? Sudama was a little shy. How can I ask a friend for something? But when there was no other way to go, he decided to go to Dwaraka and said, I will definitely go to Krishna. But what should I take? I cannot go empty handed. He was so poor, he had nothing. And then Sudama's wife borrowed some flattened rice, that is avalaki, from their neighbor, and she packed them in a piece of torn cloth, and Sudama took the bundle and left for Dwaraka. On seeing Dwaraka, Sudama was amazed. He asked for directions for Krishna's palace and finally reached there. The guard went and informed Krishna of Sudama's arrival. On hearing Sudama's name, Krishna ran to meet him. Krishna took Sudama into the palace and they recalled their childhood days. Sudama felt ashamed of the flattened rice that he had brought and tried to hide the bundle, but Krishna snatched it from him. And then he went on stuffing it in his mouth. Krishna told him flattened rice was his favorite. The joy of meeting his old friend was so much that Sudama even forgot to ask anything and forgot why he had come to meet his friend. Sudama thanked Krishna and left the palace. On the way back, Sudama was worried that what shall I say when my wife asks me what I have brought back? As Sudama was near to his home, he could not find his hut. Instead, his wife came out from a wonderful palace. Sudama's wife told, "Look at Krishna's might. Krishna has solved all our problems." Sudama recollected Krishna's pure love and his eyes was filled with tears of joy. Children, did you see how pure was the friendship of Krishna and Sudama? True love, true friendship will never discriminate between rich and poor. Therefore, even after thousands of years, the friendship of Krishna and Sudama is remembered all over the world.
Children, have you heard of the name Kanakadasa? He was a worshipper of Lord Krishna. You know, once he was not allowed inside the temple, so he kept praying from outside. Then few bricks from the wall fell and Lord Krishna himself turned around and gave darshan to Kanakadasa. And it is called as Kanakanakindi or a window. Do you know where is this temple? It is in Udupi, which is in the state of Karnataka.
जय जनार्दना कृष्ण राधिकापते जन विमोचन
It is said that Krishna spent his childhood in a place called Vrindavan, which is near to Mathura. Here, Krishna played a lot with all his friends and he played a lot of tricks on gopis to take away butter and milk. Vrindavan is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Here, there is a beautiful temple built in the name of Krishna. It is called as Banke Bihari Mandir. You heard the story of Krishna and Kuchela, right? Kuchela is also known as Sudama. Do you know, in a temple, Kuchela Dinam or Kuchela Day is celebrated to remember the friendship between Krishna and Sudama. Do you know which temple it is? It is Guruvayur. It is a temple which is located in the state of Kerala.
നനി കാണേണം കരിമുകിൽ വർണ്ണനെ കാണേണം കണ്ണിനു കണ്ണാകും കാരുണ്യരൂപനെ കാണേണം ചിന്തനിൽ പാദങ്ങൾ പുൽകും പൂവിതളാകേണം ചിന്താമരാക്ഷനെ കണ്ടു തൊഴേണം കണ്ണനെ കാണേണം കരിമുകിൽ വർണ്ണനെ കാണേണം കണ്ണിനു കണ്ണാകും കാരുണ്യരൂപനെ കാണേണം
Children, these were some of the famous temples of Lord Krishna. You can learn more about them by reading books or asking elders at home. Okay?
Krishna is God of love, the divine love. And his flute is so mesmerizing that it makes all his devotees dance to his tunes. Children, you all know Achyutam Keshavam Bhajan, right? Come, let us sing together. Sing it loudly.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं भक्त मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं भक्त मीरा